If you have learned the trick of 3 times table, you will easily learn the 6 times table trick. Let's begin by drawing out two tic-tac-toe grid, one next to the other. Next, we will start from the bottom left corner and write all the numbers from 1 to 9. We write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Write a 0 next to the bottom row. So do the same for the other grid too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Now for the tens digits, we will split the grid into 3 parts each: top row, middle row, bottom row. For the tens digit in the top row of the first grid, we will write 0, 0, and 0. For the middle row of the first grid, we're going to write 1, 1, and 1. For the tens digit in the bottom row of the first grid, we will write 2, 2, and 2. And then we write 3 next to the first two zeros. We will repeat the same thing on the other side, but with the different numbers this time. So for the tens digit of the second grid in the top row, we will write here 3, 3, and 3. For the tens digit in the second grid of the middle row, we're going to put 4, 4, 4. And for the bottom row, we will write 5, 5, and 5. Then we will write a 6 next to the second zero. Sounds like a lengthy process, but once you know that this is actually 3 times table, 3 times 1 to 3 times 20. And so now we can start. All we have to do is make a diamond shape in both of them and then connect the first diamond to the 30 and the second diamond to the 60. Make sure you circle all these numbers that diamond shape touches, and all the circle numbers create the 6 times table. Like this, as I'm doing. So 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24, 6 times 5, 30, 6 times 6, 36, 6 times 7, 42, 6 times 8, 48, 6 times 9, 54, and 6 times 10, 60. Now you know the learning of 6 times table trick. We are going to learn the matrix for the 7 times table. Let's begin by drawing out a 3 by 3 tic-tac-toe grid. For the ones digit, we go all the way to the top right box and write down the numbers from 1 to 9 by starting in the rightmost column and going back to over the leftmost column. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Write a 0 at the bottom. Now for the tens digit, break this into 3 rows, the top, middle, and bottom row. So the tens digit in the top row, we will put different numbers. We will put 0 in the first box and 1 in the second box and 2 in the third box. For the tens digit in the middle row, we're going to put 2 in the first box, 3 in the middle box, and 4 in the last box. For the tens digit in the bottom row, we're going to put 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to put 7 next to the 0. So here is the 7 times table ready.